Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I am Alex.
And I am Lisa, and we are so excited about today's topic.
In our last video, we talked all about shopping in English, how to ask for prices, compare products, and ask for discounts. And at the very end, we made you a promise.
We said, next time, we are going to talk about going to a restaurant in English. And here we are.
This is such an important topic. Think about it. Whether you are traveling abroad, living in an English-speaking country, or just going to an international restaurant, you will need this English.
And it is not just about ordering food. We are going to cover everything. Making a reservation, reading the menu, asking the waiter questions, handling dietary needs, paying the bill, and even giving feedback about your experience.
By the end of this video, you will walk into any restaurant and feel completely comfortable in English. Let us go.
Key vocabulary. Before we sit down at our imaginary restaurant, let us go over 12 essential words and phrases. These are the building blocks of any restaurant conversation in English. Reservation. Booking a table in advance. I have a reservation for 2 at 7 o'clock. Menu. The list of food and drinks available. Could I see the menu, please? Appetizer/starter. A small dish eaten before the main course. I will have the soup as a starter. Main course/entree. The primary dish of the meal. For my main course, I will have the grilled salmon. Dessert. A sweet dish eaten at the end of the meal. What desserts do you have? Specials. Dishes available only that day, not on the regular menu. What are the specials today? Dietary restriction. A food you cannot eat for health or personal reasons. I have a dietary restriction. I am gluten-free. Allergic to. Unable to eat something because it causes a physical reaction. I am allergic to nuts. Well done, medium/rare. How cooked do you want your meat? I would like my steak medium, please. Side dish. A small dish served alongside the main course. What side dishes come with a steak? Bill/check. The paper showing how much you owe at the end. Could we have the bill, please? Tip/gratuity. Extra money given to the waiter for good service. Is the tip included? 12 words. Reservation, menu, appetizer, main course, dessert, specials, dietary restriction, allergic to, well done, medium/rare, side dish, bill, and tip. You will hear every one of these today. Notice, in American English, the main course is often called the entree. In British English, it is called the main course or main. In America, the check means the bill. In Britain, people say the bill. Both are perfectly correct. Just know both words.
The main conversation. Making a reservation by phone. Good evening, La Bella Cucina. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to make a reservation for this Saturday evening, please.
Of course. How many people will be dining?
There will be 4 of us.
And what time would you prefer?
Around 7:30 if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table available at 7:30. May I take your name?
Yes, it is. Jamie. Jamie. Parker.
Perfect. And a contact number in case we need to reach you?
Sure. It's 555-0192.
Wonderful. So that is a table for 4 this Saturday at 7:30 under the name Parker. Is there anything else I should know? Any dietary requirements or special occasions?
Actually, yes. One of my guests is vegetarian, and it's my friend's birthday. So if you could prepare a small surprise, that would be wonderful.
Absolutely. We will make a note of that. We look forward to seeing you on Saturday. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Key phrases from that call. I would like to make a reservation, the standard phrase to book a table. How many will be dining? Dining is a formal word for eating at a restaurant. May I take your name? The polite way to ask for your name. We will make a note of that. We will remember and request your request. These are all very natural and polite. More useful phrases for making a reservation. I would like to book a table for 2 for Friday night. Book equals reserve. Do you have availability for Saturday at 8? Asking if a time slot is free. I need to cancel my reservation, please. Canceling a booking. Can I change my reservation to 7 o'clock instead? Changing the time. Is it possible to request a window table? Asking for a specific seat. We have a guest with a wheelchair. Is that okay? Accessibility request. Arriving at the restaurant. Good evening. Welcome to La Bella Cucina. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It's under Parker, a table for 4 at 7:30.
Wonderful, Mr. Parker. Let me check. Yes, I have you right here. Your table is ready. Right this way, please.
Thank you. Could we possibly have a table away from the kitchen, somewhere a little quieter?
Of course, not a problem. Please follow me. They walk to the table. Here you are. Your waiter this evening will be Marcus. He'll be with you shortly. In the meantime, would you like some water while you look over the menu?
Yes, please. Still water for the table. Thank you.
Wonderful. Enjoy your evening. Still water means regular, non-fizzy water. Sparkling water means water with bubbles, carbonated. When a waiter asks still or sparkling, they are asking which type of water you want. This is very common in restaurants. Right this way means please come with me. It's a polite way to guide someone. More useful phrases for ordering food. I will have the grilled chicken, please. Standard ordering phrase. What do you recommend? Asking the waiter for their suggestion. What comes with the steak? Asking what side dishes are included. Can I substitute the fries for a salad? Requesting a swap of the side dish. Is this dish spicy? Asking about the flavor. How is the salmon prepared? Asking about the cooking method. Could I have the dressing on the side? Asking for sauce separately. I will skip the starter and go straight to the main. Skipping a course. Handling dietary needs and allergies. This next section is really important. If you have any dietary restrictions or food allergies, you must communicate them clearly in English. This is about your health. Let us go through the most common dietary situations and the exact phrases to use. I am allergic to shellfish. Does this dish contain any? Allergy, serious health concern. I am a lactose intolerant. No dairy for me, please. Medical intolerance. I am vegetarian. I do not eat meat or fish. No meat or fish. I am vegan. I do not eat any animal products. No meat, fish, dairy, or eggs. I am gluten-free. Can you check if this is safe for me? Cannot eat gluten, wheat, barley, or rye. I keep halal. I only eat halal-certified meat. Religious dietary requirement. I keep kosher. Jewish dietary requirement. I do not eat pork for religious reasons. Pork restriction. Is there a nut-free option on the menu? Asking for nut-free food. When telling a waiter about an allergy, be very direct and clear. Say, I am allergic to nuts. This is serious. Saying it clearly keeps you safe. A good restaurant will always check with the kitchen and flag your allergy. Do not be shy about this. Your health comes first. And if the waiter is unsure, it is completely fine to say, could you check with the kitchen for me? Asking them to verify with the chef. I want to make sure before I order. Emphasizing you need certainty. Is there anything on the menu that is definitely safe for me? Asking for a safe recommendation. During the meal, requests and complaints. Waiter brings food. Jamie is at the table. Here we are. Tomato bruschetta for the table and the Caesar salads. Enjoy. Can I get you anything else right now? Actually, could we get some extra bread, please? Of course, I will bring that right out. Later, main courses arrive. And here are your main courses. Is everything okay here? Actually, I'm sorry to mention this. I ordered the sea bass lightly cooked, but this seems quite well done. Would it be possible to have it replaced? I am so sorry about that. Absolutely. Let me take that back to the kitchen right away. I apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Later, waiter checks in. Is everything to your liking now? Yes, this is perfect. Thank you very much. The risotto is getting wonderful reviews from our vegetarian guests, too. Wonderful to hear. Please do let me know if you need anything at all. Notice how Jamie complained politely. I am sorry to mention this, and would it be possible to have it replaced? These phrases are polite but clear. In English, being direct but polite is the right balance. You do not need to be rude to get good service. A calm and polite complaint almost always works well. Useful phrases during the meal. Excuse me, could we get some more water? Asking for a refill. Could I get some extra napkins, please? Requesting napkins. I think there may be a mistake with my order. Polite way to report an error. This is not quite what I ordered. Gentle complaint. This is delicious. Complimenting the food.
Could you ask the chef what's in this sauce? It's amazing. Complimenting and asking. We are in a slight rush. Could we order dessert now? Requesting faster service politely. Ordering dessert and asking for the bill. Can I tempt you with dessert this evening? We have a chocolate fondant, a classic creme brulee, and a fresh fruit sorbet.
Oh, the creme brulee sounds incredible. I will have that. And a mint tea, please.
Lovely. And for your guests?
2 of them would like the chocolate fondant, and 1 just wants a coffee, a flat white.
Perfect choices. I will be right back with those. After dessert.
Excuse me, when you have a moment, could we have the bill, please?
Of course, I will bring it right over. Bill arrives. Here you are. Is everything okay with the bill?
Yes, everything looks fine. 1 question, is the service charge included?
Yes, a 12.5% service charge has been added automatically.
Perfect. We'll pay by card. Could we split the bill 4 ways, please?
Absolutely, no problem. I'll bring the card machine over.
Thank you so much. Everything was absolutely wonderful this evening.
That is so kind of you to say. We hope to see you again soon. Service charge and tip or gratuity mean the same thing. Extra money for the staff service. In many restaurants, especially in the UK and US, a service charge of 10-15% is added automatically. Always check your bill. If it's already included, you do not need to add more, though you certainly can if the service was exceptional. Key phrases for the bill. Could we have the bill, please? Asking for the bill. Can we get the check? Asking for the bill. Is service charge included? Asking about the tip. We would like to split the bill. Dividing the payment among guests. Can we pay separately? Each person pays for themselves. I'll get this one. Offering to pay for everyone. Treating. Do you accept credit cards/contactless? Asking about payment methods. Keep the change. Telling the waiter to keep extra cash as a tip.
Giving feedback about your experience.
After a great meal, you might want to express how much you enjoyed it. Or if something was not right, you might want to give constructive feedback. Let us look at both.
Positive feedback. Things you might say to the waiter or manager. The food was absolutely delicious. High praise. The service was exceptional. Thank you so much. Praising the waiter's service. We had a wonderful evening. We will definitely be back. Expressing you will return. Please pass our compliments to the chef. Asking the waiter to tell the chef. The atmosphere was lovely, very cozy and welcoming. Complimenting the restaurant ambiance.
Constructive feedback. If something was not quite right. The food was lovely, but the wait was a little long. Balanced feedback. I think there was a small error on our bill. Polite way to flag a billing issue. The service was a bit slow tonight. It is usually much better. Gentle complaint. Could I speak with the manager for a moment, please? Requesting to speak to a manager. Compliments to the chef is a beautiful phrase. It means you want to tell the kitchen that you loved the food. Most chefs genuinely appreciate this feedback. It is a lovely thing to say. Use it when you really enjoy your meal.
Ordering drinks and coffee in English. Let us talk about drinks, because ordering coffee or wine in English has its own vocabulary.
Yes, the coffee menu at a modern cafe or restaurant can be very confusing. Let us go through the most common types. Espresso, a small, strong shot of concentrated coffee. Americano, espresso with hot water added, similar to filter coffee. Flat white, espresso with steamed milk, strong, smaller than a latte. Latte, espresso with a lot of steamed milk, mild and creamy. Cappuccino, espresso with steamed milk and a layer of frothy foam on top. Macchiato, espresso with just a small amount of milk. Decaf, coffee without caffeine. Could I get a decaf latte?
And for ordering, could I have a glass of the house red or white, please? Ordering house wine. What wine would you recommend with a salmon? Asking for a wine pairing. I will just have sparkling water, thank you. A pint of lager, please. Ordering beer in a British pub. Do you have any non-alcoholic options? Asking for alcohol-free drinks. House wine is the restaurant's own choice of wine, usually the most affordable option. A glass of the house red means 1 glass of their red house wine. House white is white wine, very useful if you don't know much about wines but want something simple and affordable.
Cultural tips for dining in English-speaking countries. Different countries have different customs when dining out. Let us share a few cultural tips that will help you feel comfortable. Tip 1. Tipping culture. In the United States, tipping is expected, typically 15 to 20% of the bill. Not tipping is considered rude. In the UK, 10 to 15% is standard but not always mandatory. In Australia and New Zealand, tipping is less common but always appreciated. Tip 2. Splitting the bill. In English-speaking countries, it is very common to split the bill equally among the group. You might hear, "Shall we just split it?" This means dividing the total equally, regardless of who had what.
Tip 3. Sending food back. If your food is wrong or not cooked properly, it's completely acceptable to politely ask for it to be corrected. Don't feel embarrassed. Restaurants want you to enjoy your meal. Just be polite about it.
Tip 4. Talking to your waiter. In many English-speaking restaurants, waiters will check on you during the meal and ask, "Is everything okay?" or "How is everything?" This is not an intrusion, it's good service. A simple, wonderful thank you is all you need.
Tip 5. The water rule. In the US and UK, water is usually free and waiters refill it automatically. You don't need to pay for tap water. However, if you order bottled water, that will appear on the bill.
Complete phrase review. Time to review all the key phrases from today. Pause the video here and write these down, or screenshot the screen. Making a reservation. I would like to make a reservation for 4 people this Saturday at 7:30. Do you have a table available for 2 on Friday evening? I need to cancel my reservation. My name is Parker. Could I request a quiet table away from the kitchen? Arriving and being seated. I have a reservation under the name Parker. Could we have a table by the window? We are a party of 4. Do you have space? Still water for the table, please. Ordering food. What are today's specials? I will have the grilled salmon as my main course, please. What do you recommend? Could I have the dressing on the side? Can I substitute the chips for a side salad? Could we have a few more minutes to decide? Dietary needs and allergies. I am allergic to nuts. This is serious. Can you check with the kitchen? I am vegetarian. What options do you have? I am gluten-free. Is this dish safe for me? I do not eat pork for religious reasons. During the meal. Could we get some extra bread, please? Excuse me, I think there may be a mistake with my order. This is delicious. Please pass our compliments to the chef. We are in a slight rush. Could we order dessert now? Paying the bill. Could we have the bill, please? Is the service charge included? We would like to split the bill 4 ways. Do you accept contactless payment? Keep the change, thank you. And now, the moment we love most, the viewer challenge.
Here is your challenge for this video. In the comments below, write a short restaurant conversation in English. It can be just 3 or 4 lines. For example, customer, excuse me, could I see the menu, please? Waiter, of course, here you are. Can I start you off with some drinks? Customer, yes, a sparkling water, please. And could you tell me the specials today? Make up any scenario you like. Practice ordering food, asking about the menu, or even handling the bill. Use the phrases from today.
And if you see someone else's comment, respond to it as the waiter. It's great practice and really fun.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help more learners find our channel. And make sure you're subscribed for a new English lesson every week.
We have loved making this video series with you. Money and budgeting, shopping, and now restaurants. Each one connects to real life, real conversations, real English.
Next time, we are going to talk about English at the doctor's office, how to describe symptoms, understand medical advice, and communicate clearly in a health situation. That one is so important.
We cannot wait. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every conversation you have in English, even a small one, makes you better.
See you in the next video. Bon appetit, everyone.
Bye.